I'll say Happy Mother's Day, Mala. Thank you for being my mom and for being supportive throughout my life. I wish you happiness and success for everything that you want to do. Thank you for sacrificing everything. And yeah, I hope that I make you proud.
Thank you. Dulu kedai saya nama Jinshan Yiping Hotpot and Barbecue. Orang susah nak pronounce, especially orang-orang kita. So my daughter yang actually rasa that, oh, why not we try to use shorten name.
Nama dia panjang sangat. Kita fikir, okay, just shorten it.
To be honest, kita ni bukan not the hard kind of mother-daughter, tapi I think I actually very strict. But at the same time, I kasih dia freedom.
For the most part, macam most ibu dengan anak, there were ups and downs. But I would say growing up, I boleh bilang dia apa-apa. There were a lot of secrets. And I appreciate that. Whenever I need to express anything that she may not be in favor of or that she's still not on board with, I try to explain like the rationale as to why you want to do something and not because, oh, we just don't want to do it, no way. At times, things may or may not get a bit heated because of any misunderstanding. Most family businesses probably have moments like this. I actually think it's better to just take a step back and just have some space.
At the end of the day, mak dengan anak macam mana merajuk pun tak lama lah. We give each other space. We know that our aim is to make sure that Jing maju. So we let go of our emotion and we start back.
To be honest, I rasa kita masih still figuring this out. I think it's just by giving emotional support and just checking in on each other and making sure that the other person is okay.
Kalau cakap tu memang susah lah pasal time different. Dia tidur, kita bangun. So our communication usually via WhatsApp, calling. I don't see any different in terms of how we manage the restaurant, although my daughter jauh. I do cry, to be honest. Even now when I see also, I want to cry. But then I believe semua yang jadi ni Allah dah susun lah.